Hello, good morning everyone. Hi, this is Kevin. Today is the 7th of September. I'm here in Bangkok again to do some filming and visiting of some sites. So this time around I'm staying at Grande, Centrepoint, and I would just like to do a short hotel room tour to show you around. Alright, okay, let me just flip it around. So this is the room I'm staying in. Okay, I think it's quite spacious. Let's just start with the bathroom. Alright. Okay, it's a bit wet because I just showered. Okay, so the usual stuff, they will provide you with all the basic necessities, the toiletries. Okay, and okay lah. I think these are like okay. Honestly, the hotel is a bit okay. There's an umbrella, which is quite handy. I didn't bring mine. So generally, September is the rainy season in Bangkok. Yeah, as I was saying, I think the hotel is generally quite dated lah. So but it's still spacious. They have a microwave, and then your basic. Okay, they provide cutleries also, and there's some. If I never hear wrongly, the lady says the the bar fridge, everything is complimentary. Okay, so that's where I put my luggage and study area with a sofa, and then they have a balcony too. Okay, which you can access, and it's raining again. Okay, so that's Central Embassy, which you can't see, right? Just right across the road is the BTS station. Okay, unfortunately, the bad thing is to the BTS. This place is not sheltered lah. But then you can walk to the. Maybe I show you later. You can walk to the shopping or office building next door, and then they have a sky bridge that link. Alright, so that's it for this tour. I think I've paid about $80 Sing a night. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Alright guys, this is the fitness level. Okay, yeah, it's raining. Just want to show you the pool. Okay, by the way, if you can recognize, that is 98 wireless. Alright. Okay, and that's a fitness center. Okay, there's nobody around, so I'll just do a quick. Okay, this is how the gym looks like. And they actually separated the gym into the weight resistance training and the cardio session. Okay, so there's somebody inside. I will not go in and disturb. Not very big. Okay, but the basic stuff are there. Right. Alright. That's all I want to show you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay man, hey guys, so okay, the hotel is just right over there, the building next to it. I'm under this office tower, not too sure what's the name. Yeah, I was saying, so the way to the train station is actually via this overhead bridge, and you can see that it's not sheltered. And if you come back to the hotel, like let's say after 10, then this is the only way you can take. I'm just going to see, because I understand that this building there's a sky bridge, so I just want to see how I can access the sky bridge and go to the BTS instead of braving the rain. Okay, so the security told me this is the way to a sky bridge. So as you can see, this is still not sheltered. Alright, for like 3 seconds. Yeah, this is a bridge. So after 10, I think they closed the shutter. I was trying to come to the hotel last night, but it was a bit too late. Okay, and you can see Central Embassy is just across. Okay, so this is the Grande. Looks cute. Okay. Good and bad. So if you want convenience and you want to see action late into the night, probably this is not the place to stay. But if you dislike crowd, you don't want it to be too complicated, but you still want to be within a short distance access to the town area, right? Then Ploenchit is where you want to be lah. And I mean, that's the reason why you see projects like Noble Ploenchit and 98 Wireless being situated along this area. It's not too touristy, but you still get all the grade A offices around here, and then you have some hotel. I mean, if you want to pay a bit more for comfort, then I think you can try the Okura Prestige Hotel, which is connected to the BTS, so that's actually better. But then I think per night maybe $200-300. Alright, if you are here on a true relaxation holiday, then you can. Okay, so yeah, this is all connected. Yeah, so other than this part lah, which I'm not sure why they don't want to like do a sheltered walkway. Okay, it's pretty convenient as long as it doesn't rain. Okay, you can't jaywalk, you can't cross. There's no traffic light, pedestrian crossing. So you can see this. Today is a Wednesday. Now it's about 9:15 over here local time. I believe all the people that you see walking past us are going on their way to work, and the nearest convenience will be here. Last night I was here, so over there There's a 7-Eleven, decent size 7-Eleven that's open. Okay. Okay, and there you have it. This is normal Ploenchit. Okay. Now you understand why you have to pay a premium for being connected to the BTS. It's time like this you will appreciate the little things. Okay, I think some of the shops are up and coming. Alright. Okay. Alright. So that's about it, guys. That's all I have to show you for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.